Hello everyone, my name is Manasvi Dobaria and this is the task 3 of my internship at the Sparks Foundation. I am supposed to analyze the Superstore dataset and based on that I am supposed to create a dashboard or a story. So I have created a story in the Tableau. This is the first derivation that I've got. So I have plotted sales versus sheep mode or category. So there are four types of classes of sheep mode and standard classes being used as we can more as we can see in the graph. Standard class has high number of sales and it is getting a good profit from it. Other classes are less used and the profit is also less in that. So moving to the next graph. So yeah, so here is the category wise division of the sale. So technology, furniture and office supplies are three categories in the Superstore dataset, and all three categories are almost making equal number of sales. On to the next. So yeah, this is the profit percentage of the three categories. So as we can see that technology and office supplies uh, are making a good amount of profit, as it should, and the furniture category is making a very less amount of profit. It is contributing almost less than 7% of the total profit, but it had a very decent amount of sales share. So there should be something problem with the furniture category. uh, because of that the profit is low. So let's analyze it further. So this is the graph of state-wise graph with the profit colored as a axis in the graph. So this is the it contains the name of the state with the percentage of discount it is giving, and we have colored it with the profit. So reddish the color is, and the less profit it is making or making losses. The blue color indicates the profits. So here as we can see the Texas is giving 42.30% discount and it is making very high losses in the category of furniture. Same is case with Illinois and Pennsylvania also. So as long as the state is giving a 20% discount, it is giving the profit. But as the state gives more than 20% discount, as this is case with North Carolina, it is given 23% discount and the profit is in the negative rupees. So the main issue with the furniture category is the profit amount is low as discount goes high. So let's further examine the furniture categories and see which items are making losses. So this is the subcategory charts for the furniture. So in the furniture we have four items: bookcases, chairs, furnishings and tables. And this is the sales of each graph and we have colored it with the profit. So here as we can see bookcases has one 1 lakh near sales and the profit is in the negative, and same the case with the tables. Chairs and furnishings are making a good amount of profit with the as compared to the bookcases and tables. So we have to analyze bookcases and tables and see what is wrong with the subcategories. So yeah, this is the state-wise chart for the bookcases and tables. So I think here it is the same problem. So it is for bookcases and tables, the discounts are above 50%. So Colorado and Arizona are giving a very high discount. So the profit is very low. Texas is giving 30% discount only, but the profit is still very low for the this category. So bookcases and tables are the supposed to be the categories which can't afford too much of discount. It has to be sold on the very low discount to gain the profit. This is also case with Oregon. Ohio, Pennsylvania, Illinois and North Carolina are making losses as well. The only countries that are making losses are giving on 0% discount, or countries like California which are giving for 17% discount still gaining the profit. So most of the countries are giving 0% discount and getting the profit on based on that. Only one country is there, which is West Virginia. It is giving 30% discount. Still, it is not making so high losses. So it is good. So I think the main thing is to give the less discount in these categories to gain the profit. So in the next part, let's see. So why the states are making losses. So as here we have plotted profit versus sales graph, and the larger the bubbles are, the more discount the state is giving, and red color means they are making losses, and green color means they are making profits. So as we can see that all the green dots are very small, because they are giving very less percentage of discounts. Only larger bubbles are Washington, New York, and California. Washington is giving 32% discount, but it has a decent amount of sales, so it is making profit. And New York and California has so high number of sales, so they are making profits. But for the Texas, Pennsylvania, Florida, and all the red colored states, they are doing very less sales and giving very high profit. So for the Texas, it is very high. Pennsylvania, Florida, Ohio, they are all making losses, because they are giving very high number of discount and not making a good sale compared to the other countries. So discount is the main thing. Another thing, let's see California. So California is very good profit making state. It has made a very decent amount of profit. Still, it is making losses in tables, because tables are, as we see before, the tables are giving a very we can't afford to give very high discount in tables, and that is causing the loss in this. So in the New York also, tables and bookcases are making less profit, or making losses, because of high discount part. Let's see Texas. So yeah, so Texas is making losses in furniture categories, and as well as it is making losses in technology category. Technology category, as we see before, it is a very profitable category. So if a country is making losses in the overall profitable, if the state is making losses in the overall profitable category, then it means the state is doing something wrong. And as we see before, the Texas is giving very high amount of discount in all the categories, so it is making losses. So let's see the Illinois. Yeah, so it is also making losses in binders, because of the discount part, and it is also making losses in each category of furniture. So the main thing that I've derived from the visualizations is that very high amount of profit in furniture category is making company losses. In some states, it is very high as compared to the sales. The Texas is the main focus of the Texas is the main focus on the losses, because Texas is giving very high discounts and the less amount of sales is there. So there should be done something in the Texas, and there should be also done something in the furniture category, as we can give it on a less amount of discount. So the furniture category will make a profit, and overall profit will increase. Thank you.